Can I use glycerin on all hair types?
Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're discussing the topic of glycerin and whether it's suitable for all hair types.
What is glycerin?
Glycerin is a colorless, odorless, and thick liquid that is a natural byproduct of the soap-making process. It is a humectant, meaning it helps to retain moisture in the hair and skin. This makes it a popular ingredient in many hair care and skincare products.
Is glycerin good for hair?
Yes, glycerin is generally considered to be beneficial for hair. It can help to retain moisture, reduce frizz, and promote a healthy scalp. However, it's important to note that glycerin may not be suitable for everyone or every hair type.
Can glycerin be used on all hair types?
The short answer is no. Glycerin may not be ideal for all hair types. The effectiveness of glycerin largely depends on your hair type, the climate, and how you use it. When is glycerin most effective? Glycerin is most effective in moderate climates with average humidity levels. If you live in a very dry or very humid environment, glycerin may not provide the same benefits. Which hair types benefit the most from glycerin? Glycerin tends to work best for curly or coily hair types that need extra moisture to combat frizz and dryness. It may not be as effective for people with very fine or straight hair, as it can weigh the hair down and make it appear greasy.
How should I use glycerin on my hair?
If you decide to give glycerin a try, here are a few tips for using it effectively. 1. Dilute the glycerin. Mix glycerin with water or another carrier oil, like jojoba or almond oil. This will help prevent your hair from becoming too greasy. 2. Apply to damp hair. Glycerin works best when applied to damp hair, as it can help lock in the moisture. 3. Experiment with the amount. Start with a small amount of glycerin and adjust as needed based on your hair type and the results you're looking for. In conclusion, glycerin can be beneficial for many hair types, but it may not be ideal for everyone. Consider your hair type, climate, and personal preferences when deciding whether or not to incorporate glycerin into your hair care routine.